Hey, and welcome to week 8. If you've been following along, this is the final week of the Sound Bath Choir series. And before we do anything today, I just want to acknowledge something. If you've made it this far, you've already done something most people never do. You've actually faced the discomfort of using your voice. You've breathed through it, you've stayed with it, and you've shown up, even when it felt a little strange. And that's not nothing. Over the past few weeks, we've worked through this step by step. We started with fear, then breath, then volume, then holding a steady tone, then gradually singing in front of one person, a camera, and then a small group. And what we've really been doing, whether we said it or not, is gently teaching the nervous system this is safe. So today we bring it all together. This isn't about doing it perfectly. This is about letting your voice exist without interference. Not overthinking, not correcting, not performing, just sound. So let's start the same way we always do. Just take a moment, let your body settle. Inhale gently through the nose. And a slow exhale. Again, nice and easy. Inhale. And then exhale. One more breath. Here we go together. Inhale. And then exhale. Now we're going to begin with a soft hum. Nothing big, nothing forced, just a quiet hum. Here we go. So breathing in together and hum. Let it sit wherever it naturally lands. Now gently open that into a tone. We're going to do an R moving into an O. And if you want to do something different, that's totally fine, whatever feels natural. Here we go, breathing in together. No right or wrong here. That's great. Now what I'd like you to do is imagine that you're no longer singing by yourself. Imagine that there are others around you, not judging, not watching, just standing, and you're a part of it. Now we're going to let this tone continue, and every now and then take a breath when you need to. No need to stay perfectly in time, just stay with the sound. Here we go, we're going to do between 1 and 2 minutes of toning together. Now, if it feels comfortable, very gently increase the volume. Just a little, not pushing, just allowing. Here we go. Let's go again. Breathing in. And now let it come back down again, soft, easy, just like a wave coming back to the shore. One more, breathing in again. And just let the sound fade. And just take a moment to notice how you feel. There's nothing dramatic we're chasing here, but over time, this kind of practice changes something. The voice becomes less of a threat and more of a place you can rest. So as we finish this series, I suggest you to keep this very simple. You don't need a full routine. Just come back to this: a breath, a hum, and a tone, and a willingness to let yourself be heard, even if it's just by you. And if at any point you feel a little bit weird, perfect. That's usually where the good stuff is. Anyway, thanks for being a part of this, and I'll see you in the next one.